Hey guys, my name's Lucas, ArtravingDad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show we're going to draw
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man does whatever Spider-Man does. Okay, Spider-Man. This is going to be a mini Spider-Man. He's going to be holding a balloon, a spider balloon. Remember? Paper, pens. Let's get to it.
Yes. What?
Now, I'm going to draw my favourite thing on the show. What's my favourite thing that I like drawing?
Scones.
Scones and potatoes, that's right. So, Spider-Man's face is going to be a scone. So, up here, as big as you want. Let's go. Look at that. Perfect. I like it, Phoenix. Awesome. What we're going to do down here is we're going to do like a couple of lines that hook in. So we're going to do a backward J and a J over here to form his legs. So you want to come down as far as you can, about here, and you go around and up like that, halfway to that one. Yep. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Down, and this is the J, and like so, like that. Beautiful. Now, we're going to form off the bottom of Spider-Man's pants. So we're going to do a smiley face here.
Spider-Man's pants.
Yep. Good work. And we're going to do one arm here. So it's going to go down like that and curve in. So you want to start there and curve into here, like that. So that's one of his arms. And then on here, we're going to have an arm that comes around like that. So we want to start there, go around, and go into there. And then if, this isn't lining up, all you want to do is just draw it up into there.
Mine looks like Patrick. It looks like Patrick.
All right, well, you could go just up into there. Stop. Yep, that'll work. He's got a bit of a shoulder ache today. He's like, I'm swinging around too much. Swinging around from the buildings too much. On the other side here, if your line isn't matching up with that one, make sure you bring it up like that. So this is Spider-Man. He's going to be holding out a balloon. So what you want to do, you're doing a line, but just to do a squiggly line like this.
Squiggly line.
And then we're going to do a circle up here. And you don't have to make this circle perfect, like it's a balloon.
Balloon.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start forming the details of Spider-Man. Now, with Spider-Man with his spidey eyes, easiest way to do this, the most simplest way to do this, is we're going to come here and draw a line like that on an angle. It kind of looks like he's a bit mad. And then we're going to come over here and do the same thing, a line that way. Like.
It's like,
Okay, so the next step is we want to do like two big U's that curve in and around. So we're going to go around, big as you want, and into there. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And that forms. Oh, I like that thing. It's very good. That's Spider-Man's eyes.
it's like the same as yours.
It is. Now, one thing I like to do, if you notice on some Spider-Man comic books or your pictures or you watch the animations or the movies, around those edges of his eyes, it's obviously white in there where he sees out. There's a really hard black line around there. So what I want you to do is just go over those U's and those lines and make it a little bit thicker, okay? So it gives it its definition. Makes it more bolder and it stands out. Go around, going. So you can kind of go as thick as you like. But, All right, so the next step, what we want to do, we're going to form out some of his costume. So what I want you to do here, on his waist, I want you to do a line that sort of curves like this and goes into there. We're going to do the bottom of his feet. So you can do some curves down here, sort of 3/4, 1, 2. Like that. And now what we'll do here, because with Spider-Man's costume, he has a mixture of blue and red. So what we'll do is we're going to do a line that curves around here and goes into there and goes into like that. So you can imagine when we colour this in, one part's going to be obviously red and then this part will be blue. So it's sort of like, the lining underneath his costume is blue and then he's got red on the side. So it's like the costume design. Now in here, we want to do just a line in there to form like the hands. And then on the opposite side, we'll do the exact same thing. But this time, instead of going all the way like that, we're going to go around there and it's going to go curve into there. So watch me. It's going to go around, curve down the road, and we're going to go straight into there. Okay. So again, imagine that's blue, red.
I think it's Spider Patrick.
Now, obviously, he's got his hand here. We want to do the exact same thing on this side. That's what's holding the balloon. So do a little loop in there. Now what sits on, you were talking about this before, what sits on Spider-Man's chest? on his costume?
Yeah, spider.
He's Spider. Easiest way to do this.
Yeah, if you read the first comic about what he did is got
He got bitten by a radioactive spider, and then he woke up in the morning and he had all these super powers, these abilities to, you know, jump from the walls and spit webs out of his wrists and stuff like that. So first thing I want you guys to do here for the Spider-Man logo, or I guess the spider on his chest, it's going to be black. So let's do sort of a oval shape like that. Okay. And then we just color this in black. Really easy. Now the next thing you want to do up here, you want to do one triangle like that on the left, and then another triangle on that side there in black. So
looks like a demon.
fangs.
The demon.
It looks like a demon, doesn't it? It looks like Catman. All right, and then on this side here, you want to do a hook like that. You just want to outline it. So that's one leg. Yep, and we do the exact same thing on the other side, two legs. And then we'll just follow that here. One there. Yeah. Okay. And then we're going to do the same on the other side, like a hook. And then when we come to here, so he's going to have 4 legs either side. We're going to go one hook down like that, and then one down like that. To finish it off, another one there, another one there, and there you go. That's Spider-Man's logo on his costume. We did it.
Well, in some of the magazines that you usually get with the toys in them, they got Spider-Man comics.
They got Spider-Man comics, that's right. Yes.
And the mayor says, Spider-Man is crazy on the TV.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, so I got one from the library.
Oh, you got one from the library. Very good. So the next part is, if you look really closely on Spider-Man's costume, he's got all this web thing going on, web lines, okay? So we're going to fill that out in the face and the costume as well. So follow me on this one. What I want you to do, in between the eyes, I want you to do a U like that. Okay.
Look, he has a little face.
Oh, he's got glasses on now. Now, from this U, I want you to draw a line that goes down an angle to there, to the bottom of the face. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side and draw it down to there as well. Okay? It's taking shape. Now, from the middle of this U, we're going to draw a line that goes all the way up into the middle top of the head. Good work, Phoenix. Oh, see, it's taking shape. And then on this side, I want you to draw a curve into there from that eye. And then from the kind of the middle of this eye, we'll do the same thing. Curve around there. Good work. Now, what we want to do is we want to do a curve that goes in here, one there. Another curve that comes around here. Another curve that comes around in there. And one last one on this side here. Okay? And we're going to do this exact same thing on the other side. So one curve there.
You have to do that. Have to do that because there's no, you have to get the room.
Yeah, we're going to balance it out, don't we? Another one there and another one there.
Hey, wait.
Oh, sorry. There you go. So at the moment, you could colour and you could make him look like a tiger if you did like, you know, orange and brown stripes. So yes, within the gaps, what we're going to do, so we're going to make these into spiderwebs. So like you look in between sort of how spiderwebs have got the lines, but then they've got these little curves that connect together. So here, you're going to do one like that. It kind of looks like he's got a sad face. And then we'll do the same thing, follow it over there, bump, like that. And we'll go bump, 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 like that. And we'll go around here, bump, curve, curve.
Yeah.
And another curve there. Yep. Looking good, Phoenix. We'll like it. Now, you want to come up here just a little bit and we'll do another curve in the middle, like so. And we'll curve just on this little part here that goes into the eyes on either side. And to finish off his face, we'll do the same thing up here. We'll do a curve up like that, one, a curve down like that, two, curve up to here, to there. It's kind of like ladders that are sort of, you know, flowing in the breeze. Now, what does it matter? You made your own. You can fill them in, yep. You make it your own Spider-Man. That's good. Oh wow, that looks really good. That's a real Spider-Man right there, Phoenix. Good job. Now, on his hands here, we'll just do 2 lines. 1, 2, to sort of keep that web motif going. And we'll do the same thing on this side here. 1, 2. On his bottoms of his feet, we'll do 1 line down there. And then we'll do another line down there in the middle,
Looks like underpants.
like so. We'll do that on both sides. Sort of like crosses. Kind of looks like underpants, I guess you could say.
Or window.
Okay, on here, what I want you to do when it comes to the chest of Spider-Man, we'll do one diagonal line down here next to the spider. And on the same side, another diagonal line like that. And then what you want to do is you want to do a line here, there, and there. And we'll do that on the other side, there, and there. And if you want, we can just extend these lines into the spider.
Oh, I got to do it on the top.
Oh yeah, I like that one. Oh, look at yours, looking very good. Now, with the Spider-Man, he's holding a balloon. We'll make it into a spider balloon. Let's follow this whole web thing going on. So let's do three curved lines on the balloon like this. 1, 2, 3. And then you want to do these lines like this. 1, 2. And then just keep following those lines over. Keep them going. Make sure they have a curve, because the more the curve, the more spidery they look. Do some down the bottom here too. Okay, there we go, Phoenix. We drew Spider-Man, a mini Spider-Man holding a spider balloon. What did you think of that? Was that easy to draw?
Yep.
Yeah, really easy to draw. That was a really easy one with lots of shapes. You know, got the scone shape, we've got some U's with some lines at the top, and we've got some curves going on. So it's like really simple when you break it down and do that one. So what is the next step, Phoenix?
But first...
What's first?
We might gonna draw a cookie on Art-Raving Dad.
We might draw a cookie on Art-Raving Dad coming up. Yep, for sure.
I almost ate all of the cookies.
Oh, you ate all the cookies as well, the chocolate chip cookies.
You did.
You did too. Even Marley. Maybe Mama did too.
No, Molly ate all of the crumbs down on the floor that I left.
Yeah. Okay, all right. Okay, so what is the next step for Spider-Man?
Colouring.
Colouring! Okay,
Yeah.
we'll see you on the other side, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, there we go, Phoenix. We just coloured in Spider-Man. What do you think of that one?
Good.
Good. We did some traditional Spider-Man, what he normally looks like, blue and red with his balloon.
And I told Daddy to colour these bit in red, but he did
I didn't colour his hands in red. I got confused and I did them blue, and Phoenix is right. Spider-Man's hands, when he goes like that, they're red. But anyway, I put some red highlights around the back of them there, as you can see. But, you know, at the end of the day at Art-Raving Dad, we like drawing and colouring our things the way we want to draw them, don't we? Yeah, that's the main thing. As long as we had fun doing it. All right, so what can the guys at home do, Phoenix?
Pause the video, subscribe.
That's right, you can pause the video anytime if you want to catch up, follow up what we're doing. And you can also subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it if you did like our videos, watch them, do all that fun stuff, because we've got some really cool videos coming up. So my name's Lucas, Art-Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix, and today we had fun making art. I hope you did too. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
I'm Spiderman.
All right, here we go. All right, ready? All right, here we go.
Sugar, sugar, how did it so fly?